Welcome to my second part video Minecraft. We're gonna be playing with hamster. Alright, what's the code again?
Sign,
Okay.
cookie,
Cookie.
panda.
Panda.
Done.
Done. Searching for a world. Searching for a world.
But you want to be like the leader thing?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
I'm locating.
I see you.
I'm locating where you are. No, I'm kidding. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Actually, I'm gonna do it.
Hey, give me. Sweet.
No.
Why survival? Why do you have the pigs?
Didn't I told you that? Never mind.
We need food.
Yo, we already have food. Look at our plates.
No, we don't.
Look, come. We didn't even have pork chop.
Where?
No, I turned us to survival because I wanted to test this.
Oh, yeah.
We have pigs. Also, we have freaking pork chops that I can
Bro, our pool, remember?
Oh yeah. Ow.
You hit me.
The freaking fire. It's a stupid fire, man. You can work on it.
How?
Survival.
No, how?
Survival.
How?
But you want to be creative and not be survival?
Yeah.
And then when you're done, I'll be creative and you be survival?
Yeah.
Alright. Makes sense.
Wait, what?
Ew. Alright, let me see. No. I don't want to play settings. Survival. Are you creative?
Yes.
Are you creative?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait. Wait, hold up. Tell me when. Wait, hold up. I'm turning to survival and then.
Hey, why? Put me back.
Wait,
Yeah.
are you creative?
No. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm creative too.
Oh, bro.
Whatever.
It doesn't matter.
I'm a cook. I'm the cooker.
Oh, bro, I thought you said you're cooked.
Nah.
I mean, isn't it
Wait,
true?
should we do like living like Nathan and Forrest?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I mean, do you?
Should we? I don't know.
Besides, how are we gonna make as 99 nights in the forest?
Let's see. I just need snappings. A deer? It could be a pig.
A pig like you? Yeah.
It could be a pig, and the owl, it could be a pig.
Bro, that's literally gonna be the same thing.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing.
No.
I said, alright, I'm gonna
No.
work on the night in the forest.
No.
Yes.
If you work on it, you're fat.
Hey. I'm telling you to survival.
No. Bro,
Yes.
actually,
Watch.
No.
Watch.
no, do it, you're fat. I hit you. Give it back, bro.
Bye.
Actually, give it back. Wait, where are you?
No.
Give it back.
Here. Here's some food.
Thank you.
Bye.
Well, actually, give me back creative. I'm trying to do the pool.
I'm working. Work on survival.
No. Then I'll just
I'll give you freaking creative.
they're gonna get cheese.
Only if you bring bacon and cheese tomorrow.
Huh?
Only if you bring bacon and cheese tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Finally.
You better bring bacon and cheese.
Yeah, of course I am.
No, you're not, bro.
Yes, I am. And how would you know? How would you know if I wouldn't?
Of course I am.
Of course I am.
That's just you, boss now.
No, you're a sussy. You're the Subaka over here.
When you go to the ticket shop.
No, you're the Subaka.
No, you said
No, you Subaka.
Bro, I literally can hear the
The what? The what? The what? Shut up. Megan, they can change.
Wait, with the cherry sapling, oak sapling,
How are we gonna get an oak sapling?
cherry. Or do you want dark oak sapling? Or jungle sapling?
The what?
But let's do cherry.
Chairs?
Cherry sapling.
Chairs are not saplings. Why am I lagging? Oh yes, sir. When are you gonna shut up? When are you gonna be quiet, bad boy? Oh, you were not a furry. I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. Nothing. You know, I'm definitely scared of you. Oopsies. Fix that wolf. I'm gonna cheese. Alright, time to put the water in.
This is where the fish at. The pond. So you can fish.
No, I am not putting a pond here.
Pond.
No.
It's already built.
Where?
No,
Wait.
Oh,
Bacon, egg and cheese.
So you're going to make that?
Bro, I disconnected. I don't know how.
Don't have pond. So basically we can do that to the forest.
Alright, what's the code again? Sign, cookie, panda, panda. Never mind.
Sign, cookie, panda.
Alright. So 2 signs, 1 cookie, 2 pandas.
One sign.
Okay. Making egg and cheese. Wait, Eric. Well, Eric, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 until 10.
Huh?
Say 1 until 10.
What?
1? What?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, yeah, you're definitely dumb.
Alright, you go. We're gonna do that thing along with you.
I don't know how we did this in just 1.5 days.
For real.
Bacon, egg and cheese. Bacon, egg and cheese. What are you singing? A black tree. Yeah.
Okay. Are you okay?
No.
Why are you not moving?
I am moving. Can you not see?
Yeah.
No, you can't. Bacon, egg and cheese. Boom, boom, crocodile. Brr, brr, patapim.
I know the shot. We gotta be 5. How make it
Eric, please do not look in the base. Like underground, please.
I got you.
If you do, I'm gonna crash out.
To be here.
Bacon, egg and cheese, cheese, cheese.
I'm gonna pull a campfire.
Yes.
Bop, 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 bop. Campfire is level 4.
Bro, what?
Campfire is level 4.
Eric, do not look in the base, please.
I got you.
Eric, look under the ground, please.
Huh?
Look of under our base.
I got you.
Look. Oopsies.
Grrr.
Oh, you were not pretty.
Yo, what is this though? Wait, hold on. This is kinda cool. Wait, you can see the top.
Yeah, it is, right?
Wait, I should break more.
What?
Break this. Ah.
Oh.
Bro, stop. Just want to throw a campfire. Ooh, I broke something. I broke too.
Stop. Already want to be like that?
No, no. I can't play this. Oh.
Oh.
No, sorry, I should just destroy the main.
Wait, we are.
Oh, you actually destroyed the main.
Oh.
Stop, you actually destroyed me.
I know. Oh, so what about the water? Go, 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 go. Oh. Yes, sir. Problem fixed.
Well, so you want to destroy me? Okay.
Like 6, 7. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bacon, egg, and cheese. Cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Cheese. Alright. Oopsie. Oh, what do you do? No! Eric, stop! Eric, actually stop. I was it was by accident. No! Eric, please stop. Oh! What if I actually lied it? No, stop! I was kidding. No, stop. No, stop. Okay. Okay, then I'll actually destroy it. Okay, now you wanna be like that? You wanna be like that? Where's it? Where's it? I have it right here. No. No. Put water. Oopsies. Oopsies. Eric, stop. Okay, if you destroy, I'm gonna leave. Destroy it and I'm gonna leave. No! Look what you did! Look what you did! Now you can rebuild that yourself. You're gonna rebuild that yourself. You're gonna rebuild all of that by yourself. You know that, right? Okay, Eric, actually, why would you actually do that? Cake. Cake. Eric, no, stop. Oh, wait, Eric, wait, we need more space. Eric, let's add the space over here, look. Let's add the space over here. Wait, the explosions, what did the explosion actually help us? The explosions actually help us. What? Eric, and let's actually rebuild that.
We can, buddy.
Yes, we can. If we try our best, we can do it.
I'll do it now.
I guess I'll do it alone.
This is one fish. We can go destroy it.
Not if we build it again. We can do it, Eric. I mean, Eric, it's your fault, bro. You put the TNTs. I know you didn't I know you didn't put the TNT like that. No, I know you didn't like the TNT. Because I did it by accident.
Wait, is it really? You could not break it.
I know, but by accident, I pressed it and then it broke.
It gives you like 3 seconds to break it.
No?
Yes.
No. Oh. I tried to break it.
Wait, let me see. Let's play farm. Oh. Yeah, there's enough for us to do. What is the point of rebuilding it?
Let's actually rebuild this. and make it better than before.
I guess I'll help you.
Eric, you gotta help me, dude.
No.
Yeah,
Uh,
alright.
okay, let me get the materials. Because I don't have the materials. I had it in the chest.
No, but what? The chest, it's not there anymore.
No, it got destroyed.
Exactly.
Why don't we make it more stronger? We would.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Eric, behind out, we should add, obsidian.
Yeah.
Obsidian.
Okay. This is kind of a mess though.
Yeah. Well, we can just rebuild it.
Llama doing here.
Wait. Why is there a llama there?
Maybe it got destroyed. Oh, look at the thing. Look at the jester. It got destroyed too.
That's how strong the explosion was.
For real. We can do another one.
Yeah. Now, let's actually rebuild this.
Alright. We're making way better than the old one.
Yeah, and stronger.
Yeah.
For in case someone tries to blow it up. No, not an hour watch.
Wait.
What?
You don't have wood, right?
Yeah, I do have wood.
So basically,
Huh?
we can make this more stronger than
I know. But for the desert, I don't know if we should add something.
in the desert. Nah, we don't care about that.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, leave it like that. Leave it like that. Ooh, I broke a cactus.
I don't really care.
Yo, freaking! I broke 3. Oh, I broke 4. Now there's only one cactus left. Now
Nah,
let's break it. Oh, see, I broke it.
bro.
Now we have no more cactus.
Nah,
I'm just kidding.
bro. Look at our pig thing. It literally survived.
Like, for real?
Yes.
Where do we see?
Look at our pig thing.
Wait, did someone don't die?
No.
Wait, we can live here.
What do you mean?
We can live here. We can kill all the pigs.
Wait, I got an idea.
Well,
That in case, look, this could be our secret base.
yeah. Wait, you have a point.
Yeah, and then we can just go over here and break it.
No?
Yeah, see? Well, let's just try to refix this all.
Yeah.
Let's make it all the way over here. Right there. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Yeah, no, I think we're cooked.
Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. I'm thinking about talk. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. I don't know how the pigs didn't get hurt.
Not for real.
I think it's a pig power. They used all of their force, and then they
We literally sacrificed our base for them.
for real.
I'll remember something.
I mean, wait, try to use command blocks.
I don't know how to do that, and also I don't know how to type it.
Alright, just go to the little 3 dots.
Where's the 3 dots?
Oh my gosh, how dumb are you?
Just I do not see no 3 dots.
It's in the bottom.
Is it chatting?
Yes.
Yo, you gotta tell me that, buddy. Oh, wait. Yeah. Why we got with chat?
Yeah, no, I think we have to do the rest for part 3.
Finally.
But I think we have to do the rest for part 3, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm in chat.
What did you say in chat? Oh.
Then sent.
Oh, I thought it said the N-word.
Wait a minute.
What?
You never told me.
What?
Cool. Launches going different.
Eric, look, all of this. Besides, we need more space, so it can be all the way here. Alright, just put the obsidian.
How do you spell commanders? The accent?
It's C
No.
O.
No.
Wait, video call me to show you.
No.
Yes, do it. Wait. That's how you write it. Command block. That's it?
Wait. I have the ability to smash this up.
Hi. Is that?
I see.
You got it? Alright. Wait, you actually have the command block?
No, wait.
Oh.
Get in here.
What? Eric, how did you do that? There's no way you actually have the command block. Then what are you doing? I'm just trying to make our base stronger. And you're not even helping.
I don't think that I can use it.
Why?
I don't know. It says that like check it.
I think we need coins. No, one of the pigs escaped. Eric, help me with this. Get obstone.
I mean, I could help out, but this is a long word.
It's not really gonna take that long. Eric, come help me. Bacon, bacon, egg, and cheese. Cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. I think that's it. Okay, now. Alright.
Any more work on me?
Alright. Eric, can you stop the water from leaking?